Welcome, today in front of me Nokia G21, and I'll show you all the box accessories what watch our device comes. So let's first open the box. Here we can find the safety guide, the quick start guide with the warranty card here, I think. And the next thing, this is the SIM jack tool here. The next accessories, this is the charger brick, the original Nokia charger brick in dark color, black color, and also have here the USB Type-C cable. So that's it, there are all of the box accessories what watch our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.